Can a bad CV joint cause a knocking sound? Have you ever been driving your truck or 18-wheeler and heard a strange knocking sound? It can be alarming, and you might wonder what's causing it. One possible culprit could be a bad constant velocity joint, commonly referred to as a CV joint. These components play a vital role in your vehicle's drivetrain, allowing power to flow smoothly to the wheels while accommodating turns and uneven surfaces. When a CV joint begins to wear out, it can lead to a knocking sound. This noise usually happens because the joint can no longer absorb shocks and vibrations effectively. As the joint deteriorates, metal parts may start to rub against each other or move unevenly. This can create clunking or knocking noises, especially noticeable during acceleration or deceleration. In trucks and 18-wheelers, these sounds can be even more pronounced. The larger size and weight of these vehicles put extra stress on CV joints. This makes regular maintenance even more important to prevent premature wear and potential failure. So, how can you tell if your CV joint is bad? First, listen for any unusual noises while driving. If you hear clunking or knocking, it might be time to investigate further. Next, perform a visual inspection of the CV boots. Look for any signs of damage or grease leakage. A torn boot can allow dirt and debris to enter the joint, which speeds up wear and tear. If you suspect a bad CV joint, it's essential to address the issue promptly. Ignoring the problem can lead to more significant damage to your truck's drivetrain, which can be costly to repair. Replacing a CV joint can vary in cost, but you might expect to pay anywhere from $200 to $600, depending on the make and model of your truck. Incorporating these practices into your routine maintenance can help ensure the longevity and performance of your truck or 18-wheeler. Regularly checking for noises and inspecting the CV joints can save you time and money in the long run. If you take care of your vehicle, it will take care of you on the road.